Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two top-rated air fryers, the Emeril Lagasse 26 quarts air fryer and the Ninja DZ550. So, if you're in the market for a versatile air fryer, you've come to the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below on which air fryer you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. When it comes to capacity, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer takes the lead with its extra-large 26-quart capacity, capable of serving 4 to 6 people. You can easily rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza. On the other hand, the Ninja DZ550 features a sizable XL 10QT capacity with 2 independent baskets, allowing you to cook a main and a side dish simultaneously. Whether you need to cook for a large family or prepare multiple dishes at once, both air fryers have you covered. When it comes to versatility, both air fryers offer a range of cooking programs. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer boasts an impressive 24 cooking presets, including options like ribs, defrost, bake, toast, chicken, pizza, and more. The Ninja DZ550, on the other hand, offers 6 versatile cooking programs such as air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Whether you're craving fried treats or want to try out new recipes, both air fryers let you experiment with various cooking methods. When it comes to smart features, the Ninja DZ550 takes the lead with its Smart Cook system. With the integrated Foodi Smart Thermometer, you can achieve the perfect doneness at the touch of a button. This eliminates guesswork and ensures your food is cooked just the way you like it. Additionally, the DZ550's dual-zone technology allows you to cook 2 different foods in separate zones, which is perfect for finishing dishes at the same time or copying settings for full 10 QT capacity. While the Emeril Lagasse air fryer offers dual-speed fan technology and a convenient French door design, the Ninja DZ550 offers advanced smart features that take cooking to the next level. That concludes our comparison of these two air fryers. Both the Emeril Lagasse 26 quarts air fryer and the Ninja DZ550 have their own unique features and advantages. Which one is right for you ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.